everybody, my name is Amy if you are new, and my voice is so deep right now, I don't know why, but I'm a little bit burnt out because I've been studying all night. My little workstation here is kind of a wreck. Yeah, I've just been studying and I'm a little bit burnt out and I really want a snack. I decided to show you guys how I like to make my smoothie bowls. It's like my take on the acai bowls that were like super big back then. If you've come over to my house, I've probably made it for you and it's so good. Also, this is the little guy that's been making all the noise in my videos. Hi! Oh my god, he's the cutest thing in the world. Alright guys, so I'm gonna make this for my parents and I, so there's gonna be 3 of us, so you might have to divide it in 3, or maybe even you can divide it in half actually, because it's like a reasonable amount. So for my parents and I like to use 1 whole banana, and then I use some mixed berries, I use some icing sugar for sweetness, and then I have some milk. Oh my god, it's really full. I have some milk here, and I'm also using some kefir. I have no idea what this is, but it's like a yogurt type thing. I have no idea, but my parents say it's good for your health, so I put it in there. So I'm just gonna put the whole, actually I'm gonna break it. I'm gonna put the whole banana in there. And this is the worst baking video because I literally don't know any measurements. I'm just kind of eyeballing it. Or like that much. I don't know, I'm the worst. Put in some milk here. Alright, so now we're just gonna blend this up. Ready? I'm just gonna eat this and I'm gonna go to bed. Oh no, I'm gonna study for a little bit longer, but then I'm gonna go to bed. So I hope you guys have a good night and thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.